I'm gonna be cleaning up my car because, as you know, I got some paint work done on it. I got the hood done. Excellent job. These guys, man. Brian, he's good at what he does. I got the hood done. Got the top, the sides here, and back here. I mean, excellent work. And then the most recent job I got was the back. I got this wing changed out to a bigger wing that come from Street Hunter. But I don't know if they took the bumper off when they painted, because I got a lot of overspray on it. So I got to go in here and kind of clean it off. I cleaned some off yesterday on this side. But if you kind of touch your car when you get it painted, you'll have that rough feeling, which I have right here. I cleaned this up here yesterday. It's a lot smoother. And all down the side, it's rough. Just a rough feeling like there's overspray. So I did clean some of this off yesterday. It's back and smooth. So what I use is it's a 3 clay bar complete kit from others with an instant detailer spray. So I'm gonna go over some of these parts today, and I'm gonna hit this back bumper here because, like I say, it's rough. And this is where I got the paint work. I had a screw here, I think a screw hole here. They pretty much closed them in when I got this on. But like I say, I wasn't there when they did it, but I do have overspray on the back bumper here and overspray along this side. Up here, not so much, but I think I'm gonna clean this as well. But I know this door here, especially back here on the back side, it's rough. It has a rough feel. It's not smooth. But like I said, I did clean this yesterday, a little bit of it, and I got that smooth back to it. So what you would need, I'm gonna clean some of the dirt off. I just got like a dish liquid here with a rag. Then I'm gonna go over with some clear water to wipe it down. And then I'm gonna use this spray, and I'm gonna use this clay bar. I already got one of the clay bars already rolled out. As you can see, some of the contaminants that came from the paint yesterday. But like I say, I just bought this kit. It run about 27 bucks. So I bought this one, which I have 3 and more spray in. And I had 2 left in this one. I think I got 1 clay bar left. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe this off. And then once it's done, I'll get back on. But like now, it's if you look close, you'll see which contaminants in the paint. I mean, you can really tell it. And then we'll come back. If you look close here, it's like a dark film in there. I mean, but it's really rough. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean it off. Once again, I'm gonna use this soapy water, clear water. I'm gonna use my spray, which is here. And we're gonna clean it off and see how it comes out. I'll get back with y'all guys. All right, so I washed it down, I rinsed it off, and I dried it. But if you still look closely, you can still see the contaminants in the paint. It's like it's dark. You can still see it. But I did clean it off. I washed it, rinsed it, and dried it off. So now, I'm gonna use this clay bar. So what you do is you just go back and forth like this, but with this spray. So I'm gonna take the spray, spray it on. Take the clay bar and just go back and forth like this until it's smooth, and get them contaminants out of your paint. See how dirty that is? That's contaminants in your paint. You just keep going back and forth till it's clean. So you can see that? dirty. There's just contaminants coming out your paint. And I think it's a lot of overspray as well. Like I said, I don't know if they took the bumper off to clean it. I mean, to paint it. Not for sure. But all I know, it was rough. I need to get that off. If you can look close, look. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and I'll get back to you guys once it's done. See, this is all rough. I smooth this out. You can see the shine. It's a lot different than here. It's really bland. And this whole entire side, except for down here. Here, like nothing but overspray. So I'm gonna finish this off and get this clean off. First, I got my wash bucket here, my rinse bucket on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and look. So is this? It's really rough. So I'm gonna clean this up.